There'll be a long queue at this. There's 300 people there.
I can't see any, and there are definitely hundreds of people here, so that might be a shortcoming with planning.
What about the age of people?
Ooh, from babies to teenagers to adults to the elderly, it's fair to say, people in their 80s.
Oh, all right. Do you have any idea what they're doing today, what the plan is?
4 o'clock, they are going to leave here and they are going to march to Flinders Street and they are going to embark on a blockade of Flinders Street.
At 4 o'clock?
Or 4 o'clock, the blockade is meant to start at 5 p.m.
And how long are they blockading for?
Unsure, and I don't know if they're sure.
Is that going to involve the station or just the street this day?
It's my understanding that it's going to involve the street outside the station, but I also understand that the youth wing of Extension Rebellion have said that they are going to blockade the actual station, so who knows.
Okay, now you've got a coordinator there?
I do. Dr. Christine Canty, she is in charge of the families unit at Extension Rebellion. I will just put her on the phone now.
Dr. Christine Canty. Dr. Canty?
Hello.
Hello. What's the family unit?
So the Families Arm of Extinction Rebellion is a group of families who are working together to try and help raise our children in this time of climate and ecological crisis. We've got a bunch of family-friendly activities for kids all throughout the week, so it's a wonderful, fun, friendly, supportive vibe.
How old are the kids?
They range. We've got babes in arms up to my older kids will be coming in later